Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can add a link to the site in the continuation of Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under this video. Be sure to write your comments and subscribe to our channel. So, let's get into this topic. And if you'd like to add a link to any absolutely website to your Instagram profile header right here, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. First, you'll need to log out of Instagram and go to any web browser. Let's say I'm using Safari. Next, you'll need to type in through Google or through a search engine the address of some website. Go to that website. And now in order to copy the link, first you'll need to click and hold at the bottom until you get a little menu like this and select Copy here. Next, friends, you'll need to go back to Instagram. Go to your page, and here, click on Edit Profile. Next, find the link section here, click on it, and then select Add Link. Now friends, in order to add it here, you will need to insert it. In order to insert the link, you need to click and hold, and then select the word Insert. As you can see, this is how you add the link to the site. After that, click on Done. Wait for everything to load. And now you can check if the link is clickable. When you go back to your Instagram page, if that link is blue, that means it's clickable. And it's clickable. And another option is how you can add a link to the site. To do that, also click on Edit Profile, then Links, then Add Link. You can add more than one link. And now friends, look, you can, if you know the name, for example, a certain site, just enter the name. And then just click Done at the top. That way, you'll have another link clickable. If you have multiple links, friends, as you can see, they are all in one line. Then in the profile header, they converge. And now to choose one of the links to go to, you'll need to click on this line here. Then select the link that you would like to go to. This is the very simple way you will be able to add a link to your Instagram site. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.